TTO. We back. Let me start with all that motherfucking intro. Same video, same bliggity vlog. I'm on my way to the junkyard up in the Poconos. They got a 1984 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham up there. I'm gonna go up there and check to see if the bumper's in the I can't even talk right now. I'm gonna go up there to see if the bumper is in good condition. Yo, my head don't look that bad, but it look crazy at the same time. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna run up here to see how the bumper look. If the bumper look decent, I'm gonna grab it. If the bumper rusty and stuff like that, I'm not gonna grab it. Probably see other things that they got on the car. You know what I mean? You know, I could always use the door panels because I wanted to when I do my music, I want to put 110 in each door, 110 and one treater in each door. So I'm gonna see if the door panels, I'm gonna see if the inside is blue. They said it's white on the outside, but I want to see if it didn't say nothing about the interior on the website. So I want to see if the interior is blue. If it's blue, I'm gonna grab it. So I want to cut up my door panel, and if I do sell it, you know what I mean, in the future, then I can put the stock door panels back on and see if they want to buy the panels with the speaker part on it. But I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get into the junkyard. We out. Gang. Yo, gang, we here in the motherfucking junkyard. Harry, you pull. Y'all already know Harry's. Look at my man. Hey. But he said trying to find out 301. I see 305. Look at these old motherfucking cars. The seats are still good though. The dash still good. Cleanest motherfucking car. That's it, y'all. Let's take a walk. That's 306. I'm going the wrong motherfucking way, y'all. Going the wrong fucking way. I was gonna come and see if the bumper's in good condition. If it's not, then I'm try to find one on Facebook Marketplace or something. Excuse me. This motherfucker been here for a lifetime. Look at that big ass carburetor. You got the hearse. I hope it wasn't that. Malibu. .307 Impala. 4-door. This shit in good condition. Oh shit. The dash still, that's a big ass dash. It ain't that bad. Still got the tail lights. This shit ain't that bad. I wish I had some more money I brought out. I could have took this whole motherfucker. I could start selling the parts. Take the dashboard. The door fucked up, but the windows ain't here, the motor ain't here. People be bugging. Oh, we got a little rush, but shit, this shit right. Oh shit, they got a white one right here. They got a white one, y'all. They got a white one right here. Yeah, wait right here. It's right here, y'all. Oh, they got a blue. Oh, yeah, it's blue. But damn, all of this shit is messed up. The headliner good. Headliner good. The seats are really in good condition though. It's 84. Tail lights going. Hubcaps are still here. Look at that old ass Chrysler. Ooh, hubcaps in good condition. I would work this, y'all. But let me go back to the car, go get some tools, and I'll be right back with y'all. We back, y'all. We got it. We got it. We fucking got it. Took me a little minute, but we fucking got it. I forgot my motherfucking 13. So I had to use a motherfucking 1/2 inch wrench. And that bolt was tight as fuck. But famous from Stutteries. I made it, y'all. Made it, y'all. Shout out to the 32 gang, CJM 32s, Marty Mall. Cool to be cool and all of them. But we got the bumper. Oh, and I found these shits too. My shit is yellow. But I want to see what the white ones look like. I'm gonna get them anyway. They're probably like $2, $3 anyway. So I'll probably get the white ones and see how the white ones look. But let me get the bumper. Let me get up out of here. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Way better. I was gonna put my bumper fillers in. Way better. TTO, we back with another motherfucking video. Let me give you a quick update. Let me stop talking and show you what I did. But I got the other bumper filler on. It's not on all the way because I gotta go to work. But let me flip this camera around and show you real fast. Bam. I just gotta put the other bolts back in and air slide back some more. But got my bumper fillers on. Got my bumper fillers on. I put my hubcaps on. Put them hubcaps on. So let me end this real fast. Let me get in the shower so I get ready for work. We out.